Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use the WeatherBug map layers for detailed forecasts. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the WeatherBug application on your mobile device. Now on the screen, tap the map icon which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap the layer icon to open the map layers options. Here, simply select the layers you want, such as radar, satellite, temperature, or precipitation. You can toggle between different map views to see various weather details. Use pinch to zoom to focus or specific area to get a broader view of weather patterns. In this way, you can watch real-time updates on the map as weather conditions change, which is perfect for planning ahead. So this tutorial shows how to use the WeatherBug map layers to access detailed weather information. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.